Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a book in Calibre. So you need to download this in order for you to use. So basically, you need to tap download here and you can choose if you want to download it on your Windows. All you need to do is to follow the on-screen prompt and it takes a few minutes. Once done, then you will see the button that says finish and all you have to do is to click that one. So this is Calibre. So in order for you to create a book right here, all you need to do is to write your book first in a Word, like Microsoft Word, Docs, or save this as PDF. Then import your manuscript into Calibre. So what you're going to do is you have to click Add Books on the top left. Select your manuscript file. Once added, you can now edit. So you will see this edit meta or book metadata here. You have to click that one, edit metadata. Now you can fill in important details here like the title, author, series if applicable, tags, genre, description. You can also add a cover image here or you can upload your own. So basically, all you need to do is to add information. It would be easier for you to create a book using Calibre because all you need to do is to add what is needed here, like the title, author, publish date, and so on. Once done, you can convert to ebook format if you want. So with your book selected, on the upper side, you will see here different options once you're done with it. So let me finish this one first. And once you're done adding the information, on the upper side, you will see here different features and options. So you can choose the output format if you want. So if you want PDF, if you want EPUB or EPUB, and so on. You can adjust settings with the fonts, layout, margin, table of contents if needed, and then click OK to convert. Now you can also check and edit your book. So you can just basically view your book before you publish. Now, once done, you can export and send to device. So you can connect your e-reader, click send to device in Calibre, or right click the book, save to disk, and copy to a folder. So now you have created your book. That's how easy it is to create a book in Calibre. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.